Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create wrap text up and down in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu, then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this border drop down menu and choose any style of border. Now paste your title. Now select this text and click this text effect drop down menu and go transform. You can see here are wrap option. Now I wrap text up. You can see here are wrap up. Now select this wrap up and remeasurement it. Align this text box. Now select this text and now we choose wrap text down. Click this text effects drop down menu and go transform, and you can see here are wrap down. You can see I create wrap text up and down in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.